Hi everyone. Welcome back to Franchise Republic. Today we're counting down the top 15 franchise businesses in the USA for 2026. I'll give you quick facts on each brand, system size, growth drivers, and why investors or operators pay attention. Let's jump in. In 2026, the franchise landscape is defined by recession-resilient models, businesses that provide essential services or affordable luxuries. Here are more detailed descriptions of the top 15 franchises in the USA for 2026. Top number 1. Jersey Mike's Subs. Jersey Mike's Subs has become one of the fastest-growing sandwich franchise brands in the US. With strong average unit volumes and aggressive store expansion, the brand continues to attract franchise investors. Its simple operations model and premium ingredient positioning help drive consistent customer demand. Top number 2. Taco Bell. Taco Bell remains one of the highest-performing fast food franchises in America. Known for creative menu launches and strong late-night sales, the brand continues to expand through digital ordering, drive-thru innovation, and franchise development programs. Its ability to attract younger customers keeps Taco Bell highly competitive in the QSR market. Top number 3. Dunkin. Dunkin is one of the largest coffee and breakfast franchise brands in the United States. With a strong drive-thru model and heavy focus on speed and convenience, Dunkin dominates the morning daypart. Its loyal customer base and recurring daily traffic make it one of the most reliable beverage franchises for franchise operators. Top number 4. Ace Hardware. Ace Hardware stands out as one of the strongest non-food retail franchise brands in America. Ace Hardware is unique because it operates as a retailer-owned cooperative rather than a traditional franchise. This means store owners are shareholders who do not pay ongoing royalty fees. In 2026, Ace is thriving because it provides the essential home improvement services that large box retailers often lack, emphasizing local expert advice and hyper-local inventory. Top number 5. Kumon. Kumon is the world's largest after-school math and reading program. In 2026, it remains a top-tier franchise because of its exceptionally low startup costs, often under $100,000, and the perennial demand for supplemental education. Its Kumon method is a proven curriculum that requires no previous teaching experience from the franchisee, only a passion for education. Top number 6. Wingstop. Wingstop has become a tech company that sells wings. In 2026, nearly 70% of its transactions are digital, allowing for smaller, cheaper real estate locations that focus on carry-out and delivery. The menu is simple, which reduces food waste and labor complexity, making it one of the most efficient operations in the food industry. Top number 7. The UPS Store. With the continued rise of e-commerce and returns culture, the UPS Store is more relevant than ever in 2026. It serves as a vital hub for small business shipping, professional printing, and Amazon returns. Its relatively small physical footprint and low staffing requirements make it one of the most manageable and stable business models for new franchisees. Top number 8. Hampton by Hilton. Hampton by Hilton is one of the strongest hotel franchise brands in the United States. Known for consistent guest experience and strong brand loyalty, Hampton benefits from Hilton's massive reservation system and rewards program. For investors seeking hospitality franchises with stable demand, Hampton by Hilton remains a top performer. Top number 9. Culver's. Culver's is a highly respected regional franchise brand known for premium burgers and frozen custard. With strong customer loyalty and high brand trust, Culver's consistently performs well in Midwest and expanding markets. Franchisees benefit from strong corporate support and a loyal customer base. Top number 10. McDonald's. McDonald's continues to dominate as the #1 franchise brand in the United States by system-wide sales. With over tens of thousands of locations worldwide and unmatched brand recognition, McDonald's benefits from its powerful real estate strategy and highly refined franchise business model. This scale gives franchise operators strong supply chain advantages, marketing reach, and consistent customer traffic. Top number 11. Papa John's Pizza. Papa John's is one of the most recognized pizza franchise brands worldwide. With a strong digital ordering system and heavy focus on delivery, the brand continues to perform well in both urban and suburban markets. Its global footprint and franchise support system make Papa John's a popular choice for multi-unit operators looking for scalable growth. Top number 12. Serve Pro. Serve Pro is the gold standard for restoration services, fire, water, and mold damage. In 2026, as climate-related property issues become more frequent, Serve Pro's services are in higher demand than ever. This is a needs-based business. Customers call because they have an emergency, not because they are shopping around, which provides the business with incredible pricing power. Top number 13. Arby's. Arby's remains a major player in the U.S. fast food franchise market. With a strong drive-thru presence and aggressive menu innovation strategy, Arby's continues to attract customers looking for premium fast food options. Its nationwide footprint and franchise infrastructure keep it competitive in the QSR space. Top number 13. Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Tropical Smoothie Cafe is one of the fastest-growing fast casual franchises in America. The brand benefits from rising consumer demand for healthier food and beverage options. With strong unit expansion and popular menu offerings, Tropical Smoothie Cafe has become a favorite among new franchise investors. Top number 15. The Learning Experience Academy of Early Education. The Learning Experience Academy of Early Education is a leading early childhood education franchise in the U.S. With strong demand from working families and an enrollment-based recurring revenue model, this franchise offers long-term stability. Its premium learning curriculum and brand recognition continue to drive rapid nationwide expansion. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next franchising videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.